Roller bits are customized for drilling rock formation, which hardness is up to 120 MPa. Generally speaking, they are welded on core barrel and used for taking out the whole rock core.
They break the formation by repeatedly applying pressure to hundreds of contact points per second, as the inserts are carbide beams rotate across the formation instead of digging. Ordinary weld-on roller bits can drill the rock formation that bullet bits cannot do, but once it was broken, you have to cut it and re-weld, which will reduce the strength of core barrel. For this reason, we manufacture these bolt-on roller bits. This type of bolt-on roller bits are made from high-strength diamondite, which weighs 10 kilograms. Each group of them equipped with 152 high-strength carbide beams, which can drill the hardness up to 200 MPa. Compared with ordinary roller bits, bolt-on design is convenient for replacement while broken. With reinforced handle, it can stand higher torque. What's more, these roller bits are Tricone as a group, highly improve their drilling efficiency and lower the abrasion.
Higher efficiency, lower abrasion, your most economic choice.